In this video, I am going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, and this strategy is completely simple that anyone can learn and do it right now from today. So watch this video till the end, and this is a method that I recommend to every beginner who wants to make money as soon as possible by promoting affiliate product. And I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process. So do watch this video till the end and don't miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video. With this method, you can easily make up to 10 sale, and with the commission $30 and $30 into 10, it is going to be $300 easily. So leave everything whatever you are doing right now and be focused in this video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to visit to a site that is called fiveraffiliates.com, or you can simply type Fiverr affiliate in Google and you will be able to visit to the official affiliate program of Fiverr. Now if you don't know what Fiverr is, then it is a platform where many people come to hire freelancers. So basically freelancers are those people who gives services in exchange of money. For example, if you want to create a YouTube video, you can hire a freelancer to create a YouTube video for yourself. If you need to design a logo, you can hire a freelancer to do it for you inside Fiverr. So that in that way Fiverr works. So in simple words, it is a platform where people come to buy and sell services. And this platform has an awesome affiliate program, and you can visit to their affiliate program simply by typing Fiverr affiliates in Google, and you will visit to a site which seems like this. Once you visit to the Fiverr affiliate program's official site, then you can simply click on commission plan and see about their commission plans. And in normal way, if you want to understand how their commission works, then Fiverr Pro, this is the pro services for which you can get up to $150 CPA. CPA means cost per action. If someone orders the services that are in Fiverr Pro, then you will be paid $150 per sale. In similar way, you can get paid up to $50 per sale for these kind of services. If you can get paid up to $40 per sale for these services. Now you don't need to give services like this by yourself, okay? You just need to promote their affiliate program. Similarly, in today's video, we are going to talk about this $30 affiliate commission, and the category that we are going to focus is logo maker. Now basically you can promote any products and services, any services that are available inside these commission plans, okay? It's your choice, but for this video sake I am going to select this specific category so that I can show you how easy it is to make money by promoting this kind of affiliate program, okay? And with this category, it is going to be insanely easy to make commissions inside Fiverr affiliate. So just type on Google Fiverr affiliate, visit to their official affiliate program and just click on join now. Because if you don't join their affiliate program, then how will you get your specific affiliate link? And joining their affiliate program is extremely simple. You can simply continue with Google and select your email address in order to join Fiverr affiliates. So let's just click on this continue with Google. Now you need to select the email address that you want to use to join Fiverr affiliates. So let's select this one. Now by doing this, it seems by mistakenly I have created an account of Fiverr instead of Fiverr affiliates, but that's fine. We also need an account on Fiverr with the same email address that we are using to sign up to Fiverr affiliates. So if you haven't a Fiverr account, then you can sign up to fiverr.com. Now for that you can simply visit to fiverr.com and sign up to this Fiverr, or simply follow the process that I have shown you recently to create your Fiverr account, okay? And once that is completed, then what you can do is, again, you can search for Fiverr affiliates in Google and come here and just click on, scroll below, okay, and just click on this start earning now. And then you need to fill out this information in order to sign up to Fiverr affiliate program, okay? Make sure to use the email address that you have used to create your Fiverr account. So I'll quickly fill this form and show you what you need to do in the next step. So I've quickly filled out this form. You can also fill it, and then you need to click on the next here. and then you can just save your ID and password in this way. Now you need to tell Fiverr about yourself a little bit. So here they are asking you, how do you plan to promote Fiverr services? You can select various things, whatever traffic source you have, but you just select this one. Okay, this is important. Just select paid search, and then you can select any other if you have. Now you can scroll below and see what are your audience key interests. Just select this key graphic and design, and you can select other things if you want, and just select this, both of these. You can read their terms and condition and privacy policy if you want. Once you do this much, then just click on register now, and then you can see it says congrats, you are a Fiverr affiliate. So now you can just click on start doing, and you can get started with Fiverr affiliate. Now once you see this kind of interface, you can just simply put your username and put password that you have created recently, and then just log into your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Now you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Just select all of these and click on next, and this is going to be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. You can see your balance at here, and you can see your unique clicks, registration, conversion rate. FTP means first time deposit, I guess, and here's the commission that you can see. Now you can simply click on this marketing tools and click on all marketing tools, and then you can just click on this default and deep links, and you can see there are the unique affiliate link that is yours, okay, which you can use to promote Fiverr as an affiliate. You just need to promote these links, but there is still a better way to generate links that I'll show you right now. But before that, you need to visit to fiverr.com. So that's why you need to have a Fiverr account already. Okay, so let's visit to fiverr.com, and if you haven't already created fiverr.com account, then just create your account. Now let's go to this graphic and design and click on this logo design. Now you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you can just scroll below, okay, and see there are 1K reviews at this person's service, and there are 945 reviews for this logo service that this person is providing. Okay, you need to select which logo design you think that is best, that people would love to order from. Okay, so for now let's select this one, and then you can scroll below and check the reviews that this person have got from the people who have ordered logo design from him. So most of them are 5-star reviews, and 15,000 orders this person have received. So definitely this is a service that most people have been using, and they are interested in buying its services. That's why you have got this much order. So you can promote this specific logo design service. Okay, and to do so, what you need to do is, let me minimize it. Firstly, what you need to do is just select the link. Okay, just see where is the question mark in this link. Okay, in this full link, see here is the question mark. Okay, just before this question mark, select everything from HTTPS to that question mark. Just copy this link. Okay, from here to here, from HTTPS to this much, just copy this full link, and then go to your Fiverr dashboard, and in marketing tools, inside default and deep link, just select this LP URL and paste that URL that you have recently copied, and then click on this outside, and you will see here is the affiliate link for this specific page. Okay, so now whenever someone click on these links, then they will directly reach to this page, and they can easily order this logo service, and you will get paid up to $30 per sale. So make sure to copy this link, okay, Fiverr CPA, because you want to get paid for cost per action. Okay, one sale you get $30. So let's copy this, and then let's check if the link is working. Let me paste it and hit enter, and see if the link is working or not. Yes, it is working. So it has took me to the exact page that I want to promote, okay, for this logo design service. Now once you have this link, then there is the next step that you need to do is you need to drive massive amount of traffic to this page and see if it converts well. And if it converts, then you need to keep on promoting this specific page in order to keep on making money online. And you don't need to create any kind of landing page and do that kind of boring stuff, okay? You just need that link the way I have showed you, this link. Now the traffic source that we are going to use is called Microsoft Ads. And in Microsoft Ad, what you can do is you can spend up to $250, okay, and then you can get additional $500 free search advertising credit, okay, if you spend this much amount in Microsoft advertising. So for this you can simply search for Microsoft Ads coupon in Google in this way, okay. You can simply search on Google Microsoft Ads coupon and click on any of the link that appears at the top and just scroll below and click on any of these links, okay. Just click on it and then you will visit to this site from where you can sign up to Microsoft Ad by clicking on this start now and follow their step-by-step instruction in order to create your own Microsoft Ad account. And once you spend $250 up to $250 in search advertising in Microsoft Ad, then you will get $500 free ad credit. It's as simple as that. Now once you create your account on Microsoft Ad and sign into Microsoft Ad account, then you can simply go to these tools and go to this keyword planner. And then you need to type hire logo designer and you can see the search volume that this keyword is getting. This, not exactly this keyword, but this type of keyword is getting, okay. It is insanely high amount of searches. If you scroll below, then you can find what are the keyword that people are typing, and these are the keyword you can target to run ads inside Microsoft Ad, like logo designer, find logo designer, need logo designer, and then promote them your affiliate link from Fiverr, this link, okay. Now it's extremely easy to run ads to this type of affiliate link by using Microsoft Ad, and for that I have created a specific video for you. And with help of this video that is already available on YouTube for free, you can watch it, okay. It is like 1 hour and 43-minute video where I have shown how you can promote ClickBank products inside Microsoft Ad, and I have shown you step by step how you can actually run a ad campaign inside Microsoft Ad. I have a full tutorial, okay, step by step tutorial on how you can launch your first ad in Microsoft Ad in a step-by-step process and in a simple way. And you can watch this video and become an expert right now from today to run Microsoft Ads campaign. So simply just watch this video and target this kind of keyword that you find inside this keyword planner, okay. And soon you will start to make money in an easy way by using Fiverr affiliate program and Microsoft Ad. And the link of this YouTube video I have given in the description of this YouTube video that you are watching right now. You just scroll below and click on this show more and find out this video with this title like ClickBank full course or something like that. I have kept it in the description. Just click on the link and watch this full video now. So guys, I'll see you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. So guys, just be serious, okay, and start to promote your affiliate link from Fiverr in Microsoft Ads to see result as soon as possible. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I'll see you in this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.